Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy Ice Academy. What if I told you that in just under 2 hours, India silently shattered the backbone of Pakistan aerial defense, crippling its skies, flattening one of its most advanced air base and destroying a surveillance aircraft worth over 1,000 crores without even stepping into the enemy territory. It sounds like a plot from the high octane war movie, right? But this is not a fiction. This is real. This is modern warfare. This is modern warfare executed with precision, intelligence, and devastating power. So in this video, we unravel the chilling precision strike that took place between 9th May and 10th May when India launched a barrage of BrahMos missiles, taking out Pakistan's elite Bolari air base and in the process obliterated a cutting-edge, a Jewish made AWACS aircraft. Now, how did this happen? Why did Pakistan's billion rupee defense system fail? And what does this mean for future aerial warfare in South Asia? So stay till the end because what you are going to hear about will shock military analysis as well as common viewers alike. So how India destroyed Pakistan's 1,000 crore AWACS between 9th May and 10th May. So let's try to understand. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे 9th and 10th May के इवेंट्स की. जी हाँ, between May 9th and 10th, one of the BrahMos missiles that struck Pakistan Bolari Air Base also destroyed the Pakistani AWACS, which had acquired from Sweden for 1,000 crore. Now, what is AWACS? AWACS means Airborne Early Warning and Control System, which is a basically radar system mounted on an aircraft. And it is designed to provide real-time situational awareness. जी हाँ, इसका काम क्या होता है? इसका काम होता है real time. Its main work is to provide real time situational awareness. Situational awareness. Its main work is to surveillance. Its main work is to command as well as control capabilities for air as well as ground operations. अब सवाल ये उठता है Bolari Air Base of Pakistan. जी हाँ. So as you can see here in this map, this is Bolari Air Base. This is the location of Bolari Air Base of Pakistan, which is an air base located near the town Bolari, Jamshoro district in Sindh province of Pakistan. Where it is? In Sindh province. It is located in Sindh province of Pakistan. This air base was inaugurated in December 2017. जी हाँ, this air base was inaugurated in December 2017. 2017 में इसको inaugurate किया गया था and it is one of the Pakistan's most modern main operational air bases. And this air base is between Karachi and Hyderabad cities of Pakistan. So, between 9th to 10th May, India fired 4 BrahMos missiles on this air base. And one of those missiles hit hangar of air base. Okay. Now, hangar is basically a parking slot of flying jets. Hangar क्या होते हैं? Hangar is basically a parking plot of flying jets where flying jets are kept. So when India attacked the hangar of Bolari, one AWACS aircraft which was parked there, as you can see here, which was parked there and many Air Force officers were working there also. So this attack of BrahMos missile was so vicious that hangar blew in the air. As you can see here, satellite images. Hangar blew in the air and AWACS aircraft smashed in pieces. Around 40 to 50 Air Force officers who were working there died on the spot. जी हाँ. Now, Pakistan Air Force currently operates, remember this thing, Pakistan की जो Air Force है, they currently operates 9 Saab 2000 ARI airborne early warning control system, as you can see here. Okay, that is 9 Saab 2000 ARI, as you can see here, ARI radar 9 Saab 2000 ARI. Now this, so currently they operate 9 Saab 2000 ARI airborne early warning and control system as its primary AWACS platform. अब ये primary इनका AWACS platform है. Clear? Now Pakistan purchased them from Sweden in 2010. पाकिस्तान ने कब परचेज किया था? 2010 में. किससे? स्वीडन से. Pakistan purchased this from Sweden in 2010 and last system was delivered in 2024. Now, it's a very modern AWACS system. It is equipped with ARI radar and active electronic scan array is also there. ARI radar. And यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं active electronic scan system is also there. Self protection system is also there. So this is very advanced. It can all now try to understand. This is having the ARI radar. Also, ARI radar क्या होता है? Active electronically scanned array, and this provides the 270-degree coverage. ये कितना डिग्री कवरेज प्रोवाइड करता है? 270-degree coverage. This provides 270-degree coverage. Okay. Now, it can detect and track various targets, including the fighter jets, helicopter, cruise missiles, as well as small maritime objects. Now, what is the cost of one system? The cost of one system is around 100 to 120 million dollar. That means around 800 to 1000 crore. Now, there is news that India already has destroyed 2 of its AWACS, and without AWACS, Pakistan was completely in helpless situation to detect the Indian jets as well as missiles. तभी वो हमारे jets को detect नहीं कर पाए. Clear? And तब उसके बाद पाकिस्तान के साथ क्या हुआ? पाकिस्तान was completely dependent on Chinese HQ-9 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम. पाकिस्तान उसी के बाद पूरी तरीके से डिपेंडेंट हो गया था चाइनीज HQ-9 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम पर. एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम. ओके. Pakistan thought that HQ-9 will detect and destroy the BrahMos, but BrahMos dished HQ-9 and blew Pakistan's बोलारी एयरबेस. तो ये पूरी घटना हुई थी 9 से 10 मई को. समझ में आ रहा है? पाकिस्तान हैज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 32 to 40 एयर बेसेस. आउट ऑफ देम अराउंड 13 to 19 आर फ्लाइंग बेसेस and rest are non-flying. Non-flying means administrative logistic bases. And out of them, India has destroyed 11 in just 2 hours. It has given a deep psychological shock to Pakistan. ये पाकिस्तान के लिए सबसे बड़ा शॉक था. Okay, so this is the most important thing जो पाकिस्तान अपने लोगों से छुपा रहा है. So overall, the destruction of Pakistan 1000 crore AWACS was not just a tactical win. It was a masterclass in modern military strategy. It exposed the glaring vulnerabilities in Pakistan's air defense system and sent the shock waves through the command structure, and it left a psychological scar that may take years to recover from. And for India, it was not just a missile strike, it was a signal. Okay, it was a signal that surgical precision and technological edge can redefine the rules of engagement in this 21st century. But beyond the explosions and wreckage lies a deeper question. Are nations truly prepared for the next generation of warfare? When detection systems fail and billion-dollar assets can wiped out in seconds. So the future of defense will belong not to the strongest but to the smartest. So remember, in war it is not always who has more weapons but who uses them better. That is the thing. So subscribe now, Legacy IAS Academy, and let's decode more such incredible moment from global defense history right here on our channel. Thank you so much.